We just realised on the other one you couldn't really see the explosion very well, so we're going to try and demonstrate it with a bottle and shake it up to make a rocket. Right, Tom's just loading it up with quite a lot of baking powder, but hopefully you'll get to see this one as it's quite good.
Right.
Yeah, that's enough.
Right, this bit's got to be quick.
Yeah.
Right. Ready, guys?
Are you ready?
Right, go, put them. Shake it.
That is what we call an explosion.
Call it. No. Oh, I know what we've got to do. We've got to do this again. We've got to do it again, but don't screw the lid up all the way.
I'm going to do it again for you.
I need to just go and just out a little bit. Fine.
I need to go wash my hands.
Fine, stop talking to it.
Right, I'm going to wash my hands, go get changed because it's a good top. Probably going to tell, but I think it's good, so... Right, I'll be back. I just need to get changed. Right, do the demonstration in front of it.
Okay. Alright, guys. As you can see, I've got a bit of baking powder and a nice Tropicana smooth orange juice. I don't know why I'm talking an Australian accent, but go with it. So, get a bit of baking powder. Put it into this Tropicana bottle. Doesn't really go in very well, but you know, you'll get used to it. As you can see, I'm spinning quite a lot, so you might want to do this upside. It does take quite a while, so you've got to be patient. Else you'll probably mess it up. Right, so I filled this up with good old baking powder.
I'm back.
Now, I've got to do this again, but where's the lid? There. Can you get the lid, please, Mr. Ryan Carthy?
Oh, I didn't get the lid, mate.
Right, so I've got to do this quick. Don't screw the lid all the way on.
Yep.
And you've got to put it down, okay?
Uh-huh.
I think I might need some new vinegar. Look. Put it on the floor, put it on the floor, put it on the floor! Put it on the floor! Push it up, push it up.
Handhead.
All the gas has gone out of it now.
Once again, it was a bit of a fail. Right, we're going to try it one more time. Well, we don't want to cover the laptop.
Go on, quick, go on, quick! Put the lid on! Alright, no, put the lid in the air, put the lid in the air. No. Wait, do it not like that, you pig.
What?
You put it on the floor, then the lid goes flying up in the air.
Oh.
No, or you put it upside down, the bottle goes flying up in the air, all the stuff coming out of it.
Alright, I'll go get some more vinegar.
Right,
sorry.
Vinegar left. Sorry, Mum. She might be a bit cranky, but you know.
Right, where's the vinegar?
Hold it. Vinegar is what? Oh shit, that wouldn't.
Right, vinegar?
Alright, last time.
Right, this is the last time we can do it.
Ryan, you put all the stuff in this time.
Alright. And where's the baking powder?
Yeah. Don't try and keep one of it, right? Because when it's gone.
Right, we've got to do it closer to the camera a bit.
Was it all now some stuff over there? Bit more now, mate. Have you anything? Keep going. Keep going.
Really?
That's enough.
No, not the yet.
Right.
There we go, the lid.
Just put it off.
No. I'll just undo it.
Don't do all of it.
Right, can
you guys sleep? Oh no, you can't put
right, here we go.
Not all the vinegar on.
Not all the vinegar.
This is Mum's last lot. You'll be cranky. Hold it.
Hold it in your hand, hold it in your hand. Undo the lid a bit. Did you see that? Right. We just covered the next door neighbour's, whatever you call it, conservatory.
Right. Bye guys, I'm full of baking powder.
We better go now. Bye.